Hi everyone. I'll try to keep this really short. I just wanted to highlight a few things. So please go ahead and read the syllabus thoroughly once, and you'll be aware of what the assignments are and how to do them, and also the schedule for both the time before the intensive week, during the intensive week, and after the intensive week. But I wanted to highlight a couple of things. So the course does begin on the first day of the fall semester, which is Monday, August 30th. And you'll have to go through all of Module 1, which consists of 2 weeks. And it's right here highlighted on the screen. So the reading is all available on the Canvas shell. And I'll also, by the end of the first day or the middle of the first day, have the rest of the Canvas shell fully available for you, because I think a lot of you will need to do some reading ahead of time. Prior to the intensive week, so you might want to get a jump on the reading. But note that for Module 1, during the pre-intensive, I do want to try to do a Zoom session. 1 or 2, I'll send out a doodle poll. Please respond to it. People's availability, trying to coordinate an evening where all of us can meet together on Zoom, ideally twice. Once after what I call Module 1A, which is the first week of material, and then Module 1B, which would be the second week. It'd be nice to meet 2 times and discuss that material, so that whatever questions you might have, I'll give a short lecture on the material as well to help you kind of synthesize all of that. And so a doodle poll will be emailed to you this week, so please pay attention to it. Please respond to it. We'll coordinate a Zoom session, and that will be our pre-intensive week time together by going through Module 1. We'll be doing the bulk of the course, Modules 2 through 7, during our intensive week. And here is where I would like to highlight that you'll be doing your presentation groups. So there's a sign-up already available on the Canvas shell. First come, first serve. The directions are on the announcement that I sent out, as well as on the Canvas shell. So please go ahead and sign up for the group that you're assigned. But again, your group will be giving 2 oral presentations during the week of the intensive and be responsible for 1 paper. So of the 2 topics, choose one of the topics that your group wants to do. And then you can submit a group paper or individual papers. I leave that up to you and your group for the written paper assignment that comes from one of the 2 oral presentations that you give. So it's an intensive week. Each module or each day covers about 1.5, almost 2 weeks of material. That's the only way to get through a 15-week semester course. So my strong suggestion is, while it's very possible that when we meet from about 8:30 to 5, you eat your dinner and you spend 3 hours doing the reading for the next day, you can work in that way. So you can do the reading the day before the next module. You will want to meet prior to the intensive week with your group, at least to prepare the presentation, and at least to do the reading for your presentation ahead of time. And maybe during the intensive week in the evenings, you can do the reading for the remaining sessions. So I'll leave it up to you. Some of you might want to do all the reading before we even meet. And if you can, that's fantastic. But I think most people will do the reading for Module 1 prior to our intensive week, then do the reading for the days they're presenting that material ahead of time, and organize your oral presentations prior to when we meet together. And then for the rest of the reading, it is very possible that we meet you eat dinner, you spend the evening doing the reading for the next day, and then we meet, and so on and so on. So go ahead and preview the course material. I'm excited about what we can cover. And then there is a module that we'll need to do after our intensive time is over. And again, I'll try to arrange a Zoom session where we can meet and go over that module. There's a final exam that's accumulative, and then the paper is actually due after the final. So you have time to work on that. So that's it. The rest of it's in the syllabus. I just wanted to give that highlight. So for this first week of classes, sign up for a group, Pay attention to the doodle that's coordinated Zoom time. Start on your reading, and I look forward to seeing you online and in person soon.